Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have Algorand Algo Daily Update. We are going to see the next price targets, where we're going in the short term, and many more. If you want to go and join the monthly subscription, I have the link in the description down below. Buy me a coffee/Mind Your Crypto. You will get easy profits with an automated and a manual system with buying and selling opportunities. You will know exactly when to buy and exactly when to sell your altcoins. But it doesn't stop there. You will also get random giveaways, personal guidance, educational videos to become expert in the technical analysis, manual updates, market updates, and manual updates, of course, and you will get many more benefits. You can cancel anytime you like, so try it right now. Try our Telegram group chat as well. Hit the like button, subscribe if you like the content. So right here, as you can see, we have a little bit of a retracement, bearish engulfing candlestick right here on the 4-hour frame. We might be stopping at the 1.88, and from there we might be getting upwards. We will see all the scenarios for the Algorand. For now, be careful on how to trade it. Okay, so you can see that we are getting a little bit higher. You can see that the MACD right here is about to have a bearish cross between the blue line and the signal line. The MACD is the blue line, the signal line is the orange line, and when we have a cross down, we usually have a bearish scenario, but it isn't always that case. For example, if the MACD goes down, further down, let's say that it goes like that, and the price does not go down, but instead it goes a little bit sideways, it doesn't have this much correction, then this shows that the altcoin has the strength needed to move even higher. Okay, so let's go to Algorand USDT chart on the 4-hour frame. We need to see the risk metrics. Right now, with the risk metrics, we are having a higher low pattern on the RSI. We had the RSI above the 70, and that's why we should be a little bit careful on the 4-hour frame. For now, we do not hold any extreme overbought situation, but in overall, we have this candlestick pattern right here, this bearish engulfing candlestick, and I wouldn't go in right now. And of course, we have the Fisher transform in an overbought situation, while other risk metrics have gone into the default, their normal levels. Okay, we have actually the commodity channel index between -100 and 100. You can see it now went beyond the 100 area, so we do not hold any overbought situation. 20-day MA crossed above 50-day MA. That is good, but of course it isn't the sign of that we will go for sure upwards. But we will discuss every detail. Do not worry about that. Let's go to the daily frame, and here this is a very crucial. On the daily frame, we need to see some very important things. Of course, we are going to open the SL hybrid buying opportunity here. Very good stuff from the SL hybrid. For now, we might be getting a selling opportunity soon. We will see if we go above this red line of the SL hybrid or not. It will depend if we get rejected here or not. On the daily frame, we do not hold any significant risk except the stochastic RSI that it's going above the 80 right here. In general, of course, you want to trade on the short term carefully, but on the midterm, we might be having some higher lows, higher highs. We will see about that though. Let's go to the 4-hour frame, but on the Algorand Bitcoin chart. And what I will do is the same as with before. Okay, I will draw a fib retracement from this bottom right here, ending up to this top right there. Okay, so you can see that now we are on the second support level for Algorand Bitcoin chart. We might move up to the third point. We will see about that because we have the big bearish engulfing candlestick. But anyway, we are correcting a little bit for Algorand Bitcoin chart as well. We have a little bit of an overbought situation. We had the RSI above the 70, so that's why we are going a little bit further down, because Algorand is underperforming against Bitcoin. On the daily frame, we have the SL hybrid. Let's open up the SL hybrid. We had a buying opportunity right here. Okay, let's see how this will play out for Algorand Bitcoin chart. As you can see on the daily frame for Algorand Bitcoin chart, we had an extreme oversold situation with the stochastic RSI and the commodity channel index being in an oversold, while on the daily frame we had the Algorand USDT in an overbought. Okay, so Algorand might keep pushing upwards due to the fact that we can grow even more with Algorand against Bitcoin. Okay, and right now what I think we will have and we will see for Algorand is this thing. We will be touching the 20-day EMA, and from there around this area between the 1.81 to 1.82 around there and 1.88 we will have a buying pressure and we will go further upwards. We might even stop on the 20-day EMA and have a huge buying pressure and then go even higher. The most beautiful thing right here is what we saw earlier, the Algorand against Bitcoin chart, because we are in an oversold situation on the daily frame for Algorand Bitcoin chart, so we can grow further more, and therefore we can go to the next price target, the 2.22 Tether USD. This is the next price target in case we close above the 2.09. For now, what I would do is to wait until maybe we get to the 1.88, 1.81, and I would rebuy probably around these targets right here. Okay, I would rebuy and therefore we would get upwards from there. Okay. So this is not this is a personal advice. This is not a financial advice, okay? And you should follow your own strategy. You might be knowing better than me, but anyway, this is my advice on this matter, and I am thinking of rebuying right here so we can have a little bit of a push up, and of course we can go to the next price target, the 2.22 for Algorand, okay? Because I think we will be getting there. For now, as you can see, the Bitcoin has a little bit of a sideways here price action right there. We are not bearish, we are not bullish at this moment, not in the previous few days. As you can see that we were extremely bullish right here. Now we are going just sideways, and we are letting some altcoins that outperform Bitcoin, for example XTZ, Tezos, for example OMG, or many other altcoins like Luna outperforming Bitcoin, and therefore they can go even higher. Now Algorand had a bearish engulfing candlestick. That's why I am a little bit afraid of going in right now, and I do believe 1.88, 1.99 will be the best buying entry. Okay, so for now I would wait the risk metrics to drop a little bit, the stochastic RSI as well, and the other risk metrics to calm down a little bit for Algorand so I can rebuy more, and eventually we are going to the next price targets, 2.22, 2.30 to 31, 2.36 to 37, and so on, 2.44 to 43 Tether USD, our next price targets for Algorand. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to join the monthly subscription. I have the link in the description down below to get easy profits with the automated system, with buying and selling opportunities, and of course you will get many other benefits. So join in right there, and see you soon with many more videos. Thank you for watching again. Bye.